what? No, what, who, am I, what?
It might be hard to believe, but every sound you're hearing is being made by the people on stage.
Warming, I consume, political fumes, social tombs. What? No, what, who, am I, what?
They're beatboxing, using their voice to create amazing sounds and to retell the classic story of Frankenstein.
It's about monsters and how monsters are created in society today, and how people are monstered. Young people are often kind of like demonized, and it's kind of using their individual stories and their words and their palette of sounds to create the show.
Blood, what's wrong with your face? Your eyes, your nose all over the place. Your teeth so crooked you need a brace. You are a disgrace to the human race.
The performers are from the Beatbox Academy in London. Yep, that's right, a school for beatboxing.
The Beatbox Academy is a place that started 11 years ago. I started the academy with some other people, a place for young people to come to make friends, and create a community around making beatbox sounds.
Conrad says beatboxing started in the 80s as a way of making music without instruments or stereos.
But people would play the music, people would be dancing, people would be rapping, breaking it down, and then the batteries would run like, and apparently one time there was this mysterious figure in the corner just there, and then all of a sudden we're like, and then people started dancing, people started rapping and going crazy, and then that's how beatboxing started.
He says the great thing about beatboxing is that everyone can do it, and he's been running workshops to help local school students master their own styles.
Can everyone say, boom, boom, T, clap, clap.
The workshops we've been running been really sick. We've just come to a couple of schools and given them the basics of beatboxing and just seeing their reactions from like the way they just react to loving it so much. Just for me, I just love that. I didn't realise Australians could rap so well. Like that sounds kind of ignorant, but you don't really know. Like you're in your own little world. But like they got mad sick flow.
For these students, it's an opportunity to work with some of the best beatboxers around. And after the workshop, some even get a chance to go on stage and show off what they've learned.
Dude, it's incredible, dude. Like, honestly, the opportunity just to be here and, like, you know, see the DJ on the desk and, like, you know, how he's doing all that stuff, man, it's absolutely wicked, dude. And just to learn that is a really blissful opportunity, in my opinion.
The best part about beatboxing is the melody. So like I learned that the quicker I do it and the quicker I hooked onto it, I can like just like go with it and just it's like a flow. So it's like it's just like loop after loop after loop.
I think this changed my whole perspective on beatboxing. I was like, oh, it's not really a thing, but like, wow, like seeing and hearing these guys and like they do it as a profession and like, wow, like it's just crazy. It's just amazing.
Thank you very much.